What's the meaning of californium? Californium. Californium.
Californium. Californium. Californium is a radioactive chemical element with the symbol Cf and atomic number 98. It was discovered in 1950 at the University of California, Berkeley, by Stanley G. Thompson, Kenneth Street Jr., Albert Ghiorso, and Glenn T. Seaborg. Californium is a rare and highly unstable metal that is produced and used primarily for scientific research purposes, particularly in nuclear physics experiments. Because of its high radioactivity, californium has the potential to be used in nuclear weapons and as a neutron source for radiation therapy in medicine. It also has potential applications in nuclear reactors and in the analysis of unknown materials.